Now that we went over all of the different types of alcohol reactions, go ahead and pause the video now, try these practice problems, and we'll do them all together. Okay, so looking at this first one, let's identify what type of alcohol we have here. So here we have a primary alcohol. Primary alcohol, we're adding this reagent and heat, so a reaction does occur. If heat were not there, then no reaction would occur. We also know that for this reagent, this is going to form an alkyl chloride because we have chlorine here. So remember, this is the overall reaction that we spoke about previously, that for a primary alcohol, there's heat involved with this reagent. This takes place as an SN2 reaction. And all we're doing is we're replacing the OH with chlorine. So our answer in this case is just going to be a primary alkyl chloride. This next reaction is dehydration. So we have what type of alcohol here? Well, this carbon is attached to 1